Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. To find the best stick welder for you, we analyzed hundreds of stick welding machines online and offline, and found 3 good stick welders. It is a fine art, arguably one of the most common weldings worldwide. Welding is a nuanced field full of different methods, tools, and materials. And if stick welding is a particular interest, the best stick welder at the ready makes the process easier, cleaner, and more user-friendly. Granted, there are tons of welders on the market, some used for industrial welding applications, and it's best to know the differences between models, brands, and types of welders so you can choose the right one for your needs.
Number 3. TOOLIOM 195A110/220V Stick Welder.
The built-in anti-stick and arc force on TOOLIOM stick welders means your electrodes won't be lagging along or getting stuck in the puddle. This DC stick welder also makes for a cleaner bead and less slag and spatter to deal with. It's 16 pounds, which isn't the lightest of the lot, but some customers mention it's much easier to port around than larger behemoths. It can be used for professional purposes, but many new welders and hobby welders gravitate towards this model specifically. I plugged it right into the 110V wall outlet in my shop, grabbed a 6011 stick, and was welding in no time.
Number 2. WETOLS 110/220V Welder.
At just 9 pounds, WETOLS welder is the lightest on this list, and great for stick welding mild steel. For welding enthusiasts, no, you're not seeing double. This machine is very similar to the Zinni arc welding machine. It's also far quieter than other stick welders thanks to its audio system that cuts down on annoying buzzing. It's best suited for household tasks. But as far as stick welding machines go, it's even great for smaller fixes in any situation. Both seasoned welders and people who are just starting out found it to be a reliable machine for a variety of projects. Customers have used it for building pipe fences, steel chairs, teaching welding classes, and even a chef was able to learn the system and weld drawers to a unit.
Number 1. YESWELDER ARC Welder.
Portability is important for welders who frequently move around on the job or work on multiple sites. Though most welding machines aren't too heavy, lighting the load makes a difference. This small arc welder from YESWELDER with dual voltage input and DC stick welder function weighs 13.5 pounds and has a handle, making it easy to carry. This YESWELDER has quite a few safety features, including protection from overcurrents and fluctuation in voltage. The welding unit can also control and monitor its temperature. There's also less of a chance of rods getting stuck in the puddle thanks to auto-adaptive arc force. Despite its size, it can produce a quality bead, according to buyers.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.